Hi everybody, welcome back to Handmade with me, Karen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make custom summertime coasters. This is one of my favorite projects to do because it is so easy, and changing up your coasters is one of the easiest ways to transition your decor between seasons. I made some of these over the summer last year, like just for myself, and they've held up so well. So let me show you exactly how to do it. So I'm using this sheet of cork, which I had left over from a previous project. I'm going to start by cutting out the coasters from the pattern and then tracing them onto the cork. And then cork is really easy to cut. You can just cut it out with a craft knife. You can definitely buy cork coasters already cut into circles, but I already had this sheet of cork, so that's what I started with. Once they're cut out, just use a little bit of sandpaper to smooth out all of the edges. So I think those are looking great. All we're going to do now is give them a coat of white paint. And this is just to help our colored paint pop so that we won't have to do quite as many layers of the colored paint later on. So you can paint all 4 of them, making sure to paint the sides as well. You can do 2 coats of paint to make sure that you get into every single little nook and cranny, and then let it dry completely. Alright, so I think these are looking great. They're just such a beautiful blank canvas that we can paint anything we want onto. But today I'm going to go with the patterns that I made, which you can download. Here is my favorite way to transfer a pattern onto the thing that we're painting. All you're going to do is use a pencil to color on the entire back of the pattern wherever there is a line that's going to be transferred. Then flip it over, place it onto your coaster, and use your pencil to trace along all of the lines. Then, when you pick it up, you can see that our design has been transferred onto the coaster. Super easy, and you don't need any fancy equipment to do it. So now is the really fun part. It is time to paint them. At this point, it basically just becomes a paint by numbers, following along with the color version of the pattern. Again, you can do 2 coats if any of the paint looks a little streaky. And again, just make sure that you let it dry completely. Alright, so we're done painting, and you can see that I painted the sides and the back the same background color, just to make them look a little more professional and finished. So once all of the paint is completely dry, there's only one step left, and that is to grab our clear sealant and to bring these outside and give them a nice spray. That's just going to protect the paint and protect all of the hard work that we did painting these designs. So let's head out and do that. So what do you think? How cute are these? I'm so happy with how they turned out. So I'd love to know in a comment which design was your favorite, or do you have any other ideas of designs that you would put on yours? Make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.